Claude Chat 6 features most beginners never find. Most people use Claude Chat like a text message, type something, get an answer, copy it, move on. But Claude Chat can actually build things for you. And this is where it gets exciting. First feature, artifacts. Claude builds things, not just text. Second feature, web search, real-time internet access with citation. Third feature, file uploads, PDFs, images, docs, spreadsheets. Fourth feature, voice mode, speak, Claude speaks back, hands-free. Fifth feature, vision, read any image or photo. Sixth feature, live artifacts, mini apps connected to your real data. Feature 1, artifacts. Watch what happens on the right side of your screen when I type this. Create an HTML newsletter for a coffee shop announcing their new spring menu. See the panel that just opened on the right? Claude did not just give me text, it builds me a real formatted newsletter live right here in the chat. I can copy it, I can export it, I can ask Claude to change it. This would have taken a designer hours. Claude did it in about 35 seconds. Now I say, turn this into a PDF instead. And now I have a downloadable PDF of a seasonal menu ready to print, done in one follow-up message. Feature 2, web search. You click here. Now you can see web search here. Turn it on. Now Claude can search the internet live and show you exactly where it found every fact. Ask it something that changes weekly. Current interest rates, this week's AI news, anything. And it looks it up right now and cite its sources. And this is free for everyone. Feature 3, file uploads. This little paperclip is one of the most powerful buttons in Claude. Click it and upload anything, a PDF, a photo, a Word document, a spreadsheet. Claude reads the entire things and you can ask it questions. Upload a confusing bill and ask Claude to explain what you actually owe. Upload a 40-page contract and ask Claude to flag anything you should worry about. 11 seconds, done. Let me open Istanbul itinerary with totals. Can you explain me the total budget of my 2 days itinerary as per the attached file. Now you can see the clear breakdown of my Istanbul 2 day itinerary budget. It reads the file, show me the day 1 total, day 2 total, and grand total, and it'll show me the bar chart and how the spend is being spread across day 1 and day 2. Feature 4, voice mode. On your phone, iOS or Android, you can speak to Claude out loud and it speaks back. 5 different voices, completely free for everyone in 2026. Use it while you are cooking, driving, walking, completely hands-free conversation with the smartest AI in the world. Now I'm going to show you voice mode. So let me open the Cloud app on my iPhone. So here you can click on this button. Hey Claude, can you tell me what day is today?
Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2026.
Can you tell me the recipe how to make tea?
Yeah, so to make tea, boil water and pour it over a tea bag or loose tea in your cup. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on the type of tea you're using. Then remove the tea bag or strain it. Add honey, sugar, milk or lemon if you want, and you're all set.
Clicking wheel button. Now you have voice setting, and in that voice setting you have 5 different voices. You can select as per your choice, and then we have a speed, slow, normal, fast, and then we have 2 activations, hand free and push to talk.
Exactly. So you've got those 5 voice options to pick from. You can adjust the speed to match how fast or slow you want me to speak, and then toggle between hands-free mode, where it's always listening, or push to talk, where you control when I respond. Gives you a lot of flexibility depending on how you want to use it.
That is the demo for voice mode. It's a full conversation, not just dictation. Feature 5, vision. Take a photo of anything near you right now, a medicine label, a receipt, an instruction manual in a foreign language, and Claude reads it and explain it in plain English immediately. Let me show you the demo. Upload an image from Japanese language. Now you can see here it translated from Japanese into English. Feature 6 is live artifacts that can build interactive dashboard, study tool, trackers, and calculators that update live. Let me show you one example. Let me upload the Excel file which has order and product details. Can you create the dashboard? So as you can see, it creates the live dashboard. In CoWorks, these connect to your actual files on your computer, two-way live sync. Now here's your live sales dashboard from order.csv. It covers 4 KPI cards, monthly trend, category breakdown, regional performance, and top product. And whenever you update your CSV file, your Excel file, dashboard will be synced and show the live data on this dashboard. Now I'm giving you two exercises. Build your first artifacts. Create a simple one-page HTML flyer for a local charity bake sale this Saturday. Include a bold title, 3 bullet points about what is being sold, and make it look colorful and fun. Second, upload a file you have been avoiding. Find one document on your phone or computer that has been confusing you, a bill, a letter, a contract, anything. Upload it using the paperclip and type. This is probably the most useful thing Claude can do for an everyday person right now. Anything confusing in your life, upload it, ask Claude to explain it. That document never has to stress you out again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next module for CoWork Basics.